Well, hello there, I'm Jordi from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making Parmesan cheese cookies. This is one of the easiest recipes I will ever give you. The only ingredient is cheese, Parmesan cheese in this case. Grate the cheese in a container or small bowl. You need less cheese than you think to make a cookie. It all depends of course on how big you want to make them yourself. Take a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and scoop 2 teaspoons of cheese for each cookie. Make sure they are a bit apart, otherwise you will get one big cheese cookie and we don't want that. Although, not today. Try to make as nice as round as possible with your fingers, so that all the cheese melts together nicely. Bake this for 6 to 10 minutes in a 200 degrees Celsius oven. Keep a close eye on them because they can burn rather quickly. In the meantime you can do something else, like giving your dog some love. Once they are baked, take them out of the oven to cool. This goes pretty quickly, and after they have cooled down, they become very hard and crispy. I had a nice plate from my grandmother to put the cookies on. Repeat this for all the cookies you want and are going to make, and enjoy! And that's it! Oh come on, this has to be the easiest recipe I ever gave to you guys. If you know an easier one, let me know down in the comments. But, as always, I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking, let me know down in the comments what you want to see next. And of course, I see you in the next video.